Hi guys, it's Nico. On this tutorial I will show you how to place an image into a text using Photoshop. Alright, let's start. First, set up a proper background color for the design. I will be using this mountain photography. You can find the link on the video description. This image comes from unsplash.com. And I have to give a credit to this photographer, V2OCK, for this awesome image. Drag the image into Photoshop, then place it by hitting on the check icon. And type a text on the image. Now all you have to do is drag in the text below the image, hold Alt and go between the image layer and the text layer. You will be able to see a down arrow icon as this one. Now just hit the left click and voila, that's it. Now click on the image layer and drag it to the best position for your text. If you like to move the text, you have to unselect the auto select box, then click on the text layer, and now you will be able to move the text. With this effect, you can retype whatever you like and the background will be still there. Alright guys, if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're up for more tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe to this channel.